Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video for the Roblox scripting tutorial series. Today's video will talk about the messaging service. This service allows you to communicate between servers in your game. It is very easy to use, yet very useful. This is how games like Please Donate announce big donations to all of the servers. Unfortunately, this service does not work in Roblox Studio, so if you want to test it, you will need an alt account on a separate device, set your server size to 1 player and then test it. So now all of the code I will be typing here for today's video, I won't actually be testing it, okay? So I'll add a script in server script service, and the way you actually get this service is by using game get service messaging service. Let's just store this in a variable, okay? And this service only have 2 events. The first one is going to be subscribe async, and the next one is going to be publish async, okay? These are the only ones you can use, okay? So I'll start off, I'll use them both at the same time. So the messaging service works through topics. So you need to type a topic as well as a message, okay? So in subscribe async you will be actually receiving messages, and in publish async you will be publishing them. So for example, here we need a topic and a message, and here we need a topic and a callback, which will be a function which will have one single parameter called data or whatever you want to call it. So now imagine we wanted to make a game like Please Donate. The topic would be, for example, new donation, okay, or big donation, let's just call it. Here we let's just, okay. So now subscribe async would fire whenever publish async is called on any server using this same topic, right? And here we will need to send the message. So I prefer using tables since they are way easier to use and allow you to send more data. And for example, here we could set a table with the donator, which will be, I don't know, my own name, for example, the donated, which will be donated player, for example, and finally price or the amount donated, which could be 100. So what this line will do is tell the service to kind of fire the topic, okay? It's kind of like a remote event with this data, and then any server that has this subscribe async with this same topic will receive it. Data will be a table with it will be a dictionary, right, with the data which will be our actual message, and as well as one which will be sent and will contain like the time the message was sent, okay? So this is just what this will do. So for example, now Please Donate will, for example, do whatever effects it needs, right? And we could print data.donator, for example. Okay, so this is just how you would use this service. If you want to receive when a topic is fired, you would use subscribe async, typing the topic as well as a function, and this function would have this parameter which will contain a table with a data value as well as a sent value. Okay, and finally on the other hand we have this publish async function that will just fire the subscribe async functions. So you could use this function in one server, and all of these servers would get this subscribe async function run. Okay, so this is just how the messaging service works. So that's everything for today's video about the messaging service. This video was really short because this service is not very hard to use, and although it might be confusing at first, I am sure you will get used to it. Bye!